this is a journal topper that we made for our journals that we created in one of the workshops that I hosted. And I wanted to come out and share with you how exactly I made this topper. And this topper, it can be used for any journal. So as an example, this was one of the journals, the junk journals that we made at our recent junk journaling workshop. And yeah, we also made a tag. So I wanted to share with you today how exactly we made the stopper. As you can see, there's a few elements. There's cardstock, there's cardboard, there's some thin paper, there's some music sheet paper at the back. This is just a piece of cotton or string. There's doily paper, there's some paper flowers. There's a wooden sentiment on here and a wooden half a butterfly on here. So I have another one prepared that I want to make for my Chunky Junk journal. As you can see, it does not have a cover on yet, and I want to create a beautiful cover or journal cover for this journal. It's a 3 signature journal, and it's the one that I'm going to be journaling in and just sharing with you on a daily basis around how I'm going to follow this up with ephemera. So let's get started. So a few simple pieces that you're going to be needing for this project is cardboard, and this is just a normal piece of cardboard I took, and then I took my oil and I literally just started to pull pieces off like that, and I took white paint, made a few spots here and there, just spray painted some gold over there, and then my background was done. So that is the piece of cardboard that you see now. Then I had some cut-offs music sheets. I have a printed old piece of paper, a doily, any color, 2 circles that I punched also with some cut-offs, and then just one piece of cut-out board, so to say. And then what I did, I also took some of my flowers and decorated it afterwards with some flowers. So that is what we're going to do. That is what you need for the project. So I'm going to be putting one together in within the next few minutes. And these are super easy to make. You can bulk create. So what I mean by that is you can do 5 or 10 at a time, and then you have journal toppers for your next journal. So I'm going to be creating 2, and one of them I will be putting onto my next journal.